Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we have exponential smoothing. It is another kind of forecasting method. So here we have a table, we have actual data, we have forecasting, and we have error, and we have error square. So this is number of periods, this is actual data, this is forecasting, this is error, and this is error square, same like moving average. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. We have some actual data 20 22 23 24 18, and we have 23 and 19 17 22 and so on. So in exponential smoothing we have a formula here. So for exponential smoothing we have forecasting t plus 1, it means forecasting for the future year is equal to weight mean percentage. We will give more percentage to the actual data. So t minus 1, it means the actual data of the previous year, because we always do forecasting for the previous data, plus we will have 1 minus weight. So 1 minus weight mean let's say we have 70 here, 0.7, and here we will subtract 1 minus 0.7, here we will have 0.3, and we will have forecasting data. So t minus 1, the forecasting data of the previous year. So let's say we are finding the forecasting for this year, for year 1. So we will take the average of all these data, all these actual data, we will get the forecasting of the first year. So let's say the average of these all data is equal to 21. Now for the second year we will use this formula. So let's say the weight is 0.7, so here the weight will be 0.3. If we have weight here 0.8 and here we will have 0.2, so the weight will be changing, vary. So here let's say the forecasting of this year is this. So for the next year we will use this formula. 7 multiply actual data is 20, 0.7 multiply 20 and plus 0.3 multiply 21. So we will add these both value, we will get 20.3. Again for the third year we will use again this formula. Weight is 0.7 multiply 22 plus 0.3 multiply 20.3. So we will get 21.5. Next for the fourth year we will continue this process. So I will also do it in the MS Excel for the better understanding. So we will have 22.5, we have 23.6, we have 19, this is for this year, this is for this, and for this year we have 19.7, for this year we have 22.0, for this year we have 19.9, for this year we have 17.9. So now we will find the error. So actual minus forecasting, we will get the error. So for the first year we have -1, for the second plus 1.7 and 1.5, again 1.5 minus 5.6 plus 3.3 minus 3 minus 2.9 and 4.1. we will take the square of the error. We will get 1, 2.9, 2.3 and 31. So here we have 31, and the square of this will be equal to 11.1, and the square of 3 is 9. The square of this will be 8.4, and the square of this will be 17.1. So here we will add all these square, error square. So when we get the summation of this value, error square, so we will again use the same formula for the forecasting: root mean error square. So under root, again we will summation of error square, the value that we get from this will summation, so we will write in above, and we will also count the observation. How many observation do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 observation here. When we divide and take the under root, we will get some value. Let's say the value is 3.5. let's say this is, assume this is the value of error. So the error may be positive and the error may be negative. So this is the exponential smoothing. So in the next video I will also solve these table: exponential smoothing, regression, and moving average in the MS Excel. So you will understand, you will easily understand